Hello learners, in today's video we are going to discuss about The Spectator by Richard Steele. So first we will discuss who is Richard Steele. Sir Richard Steele, 1627 to 1729, was an Irish writer, politician and a journalist. He was remembered as a co-founder with his friend Joseph of the magazine The Spectator. Spectator को हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया हुआ है ना, in our video of periodic essay. So basically Sir Richard Steele जो एक राइटर, पॉलिटिशियन और जर्नलिस्ट भी थे, इनको सबसे ज़्यादा याद किया जाता है मैगज़ीन द स्पेक्टेटर के लिए, जिसको इन्होंने को फाउंड किया था विद हिज फ्रेंड जोसेफ एडिसन. In 1709, he started the Tatler and later the Spectator and the Guardian. So इन्होंने 3 मैगज़ीन पब्लिश की है with his friend Joseph Edison. The first one is the Tatler and the next is the Spectator and after the Guardian. If we discuss about the text, the Spectator adopted a fictional method of presentation through a spectator club whose imaginary member extolled the author's own idea about society. So basically, the Spectator is ऐसे जिसमें उन्होंने फिक्शनल मेथड यूज़ किया है और इसमें उन्होंने एक क्लब बनाया है द स्पेक्टेटर क्लब, जो कि एक इमेजनरी क्लब है और इसमें जो भी मेंबर्स हैं दे आर ऑल्सो इमेजनरी. इन मेंबर्स के थ्रू जो ऑथर है वो अपने आइडिया जो है सोसाइटी के बारे में उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है टू द ऑडियंस, टू द रीडर्स. These members include a representative of commerce, the army, the town, respectively Sir Andrew Freeport, Captain Sentry and William Honeycomb, and the country gentry Sir Roger de Coverley. The paper was established written by Mr. Spectator, an observer of the London street. So इसमें कई सारे members हैं जो कि कंट्री के, सोसाइटी के इकोनॉमी को, आर्मी को, टाउन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी कैरेक्टर्स और इस पेपर को जो कि फिक्शनल है द स्पेक्टेटर क्लब, इस पेपर को भी एक डिफरेंट ऑब्जर्वर जो है लंदन स्ट्रीट का, जो लंदन के स्ट्रीट पे घूमता रहता है और लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करता रहता है, वो इस पेपर को लिख रहा है जिसको हम मिस्टर स्पेक्टेटर कह रहे हैं. ओके. The conversation that the Mr. Spectator reported were often imagined to take place in the coffee shop, which was also where many copies of the publication were distributed and read. So the conversation जो है, जिस conversation को लिख रहा है the Spectator, वो ज़्यादातर इमेजिन किए गए हैं कॉफ़ी शॉप में और कॉफ़ी शॉप के अंदर ही इस मैगज़ीन को, इस पेपर को पब्लिश किया जा रहा है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जा रहा है और पढ़ भी रहे हैं. Okay, the real author of the essay were free to consider whatever topic they pleased with reference to the fictional framework. So जो real author है means Richard Steele, उनके पास बहुत सारे he have so many topic जिसको वो इन कैरेक्टर को रिफ़र करके लिख सकते हैं, फिक्शनल फ्रेमवर्क यूज़ करके लिख सकते हैं. If we talk about all the characters which Richard Steele used in this essay, so there are 6 characters. Sir Roger de Coverley, a bachelor, Sir Andrew Freeport, Captain Stentry, William Honeycomb, and clergyman. Okay, so we will discuss all the character one by one. First we will discuss Sir Roger de Coverley, the first member of the baronet. Sir Roger de Coverley ये पहले member हैं इस coffee shop के. A 56-year-old cheerful, hearty lover of mankind. He is very good natured person and a very mature person with no enemy. He is a bachelor and get his position among the reputed person. Of course उनकी शादी नहीं हुई है and he is very reputed person in the society. Then the bachelor, the next gentleman is the bachelor of inner temple. He is the man of great probity, wit and understanding. He is very intelligent. Okay, जो bachelor है वो बहुत intelligent है. He was studying law due to the wish of his father, but his interest was in stage and theatre. So इनका interest जो है वो theatre और stage में है, but he was studying law क्योंकि उनके father के pressure की वजह से, उनके father के wish की वजह से. So he know a lot about theatre and stage. He was a proper knowledge, custom, manners, action and action of the ancient. So इनके पास काफ़ी सारे नॉलेज है कस्टम्स के बारे में, मैनर्स के बारे में, एक्शन के बारे में, इवन जो एंशियंट एक्शंस हैं उनके बारे में भी. The third character is Sir Andrew Freeport. He is a merchant of great eminence in the city of London, an experienced and laborious businessman. He was a businessman and he called the sea the British common. So basically he called the sea कि ब्रिटिश जो है ये सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा सी से उठाते हैं, ठीक है, सबसे ज़्यादा इनका इनकम जो है वो सी से होता है. एंड ही वॉज अ बिजनेसमैन. ओके. Then we have Captain Sentry. Captain Sentry is a gentleman of a great courage, good understanding, but invincible modesty. So Captain Sentry is a very gentleman person, but he has a good courage, understanding. He is one of those that deserve very well, but are very awkward at putting their talent within the observation of such as should take notice of them. So Captain Sentry is very introvert kind of person जो अपने टैलेंट को छुपाना चाहते हैं, वो नहीं बताना चाहते सबको ताकि लोग उनको बार बार नोटिस करें. He was some years a captain and behaved himself with great gallantry in several engagements and at several seats. So he was for many years वो कैप्टन रहे हैं, तो इसलिए वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंगेज रहते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ में. देन वी हैव कैरेक्टर विल हनीकॉम्ब. विल हनीकॉम्ब is gentleman who according to his years should be in the deadline of his life, but he is very careful about his health and personality. So Will Honeycomb जो है वो बहुत old person है, so basically वो कभी भी उनकी death हो सकती है, but he was very careful about his personality and health, and he has very proper knowledge of fashion and its mode. So Will Honeycomb जो है he is very fashionable, okay, and a person who is very careful about his health and personality. The last member of the Spectator Club is the clergyman, and he is not a very regular visitor, a very philosophical man of journal learning, journal sanity of life. Among divine, he get the respect what a chamber counselor is among lawyer. Okay, so इनको बस इतनी रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है जैसे कि चैम्बर काउंसलर जो होते हैं लॉयर्स के बीच में, उनको जितनी रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है इनको उतनी ही रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है. एंड ये रेगुलर विजिट नहीं करते कॉफ़ी शॉप को. ही इज़ वेरी फिलोसफिकल मैन. इनके पास लाइफ की बहुत सारी नॉलेज है, जर्नल नॉलेज बहुत सारी है इनको. ओके, सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्पेक्टेटर क्लब. And this is all about the Spectator Club by Richard Still. If you have any query about this topic or any particular topic, you can comment below, and have a nice day.